Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, is this it? What if you could stop stressing over bills, start living on your own terms, and design a life where money works for you? You're not alone, and the good news, financial freedom isn't just for the rich. You can build it from scratch, starting today. This video is your complete step-by-step guide to creating a realistic, powerful financial freedom plan. No jargon, no fluff, just a proven method that actually works. So grab a pen, let's map out your path to financial independence. Step 1, define what financial freedom means to you. First things first, financial freedom looks different for everyone. For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's traveling the world without debt or just having peace of mind with no bills stacking up. So ask yourself, what does your dream lifestyle look like? How much money would you need monthly to live it comfortably? Write that number down. This is your target, your why. Without this, your plan won't have direction. Step 2, know your numbers. Next, it's time to get real. You can't manage what you don't measure. So, take 20 minutes to list the following: your monthly income, all fixed and variable expenses, outstanding debts, savings or investments, if any. This is the foundation of good money management. Once you see where your money is going, you'll know what needs to change. Step 3, set clear financial goals. Now, turn your vision into clear, actionable goals. These should be short-term, build a $1,000 emergency fund. Mid-term, pay off $10,000 in debt. Long-term, save $500,000 for early retirement. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This keeps you focused and motivated. Step 4, create a budget that builds wealth. Now that your goals are set, your budget becomes your best friend, but not the boring kind. This one helps you grow. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% for savings or debt payoff. If you want to speed up your path to financial independence, try flipping it. Save 30-40% and cut back on unnecessary wants. Tools like YNAB, Mint, or a simple spreadsheet work just fine. Step 5, eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is the enemy of freedom. Start with high-interest debts like credit cards. Use either the debt snowball, pay off smallest balances first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche. Focus on high interest first for maximum savings. The faster you kill bad debt, the faster you build real wealth. Step 6, build multiple income streams. One income is no longer enough. To accelerate your plan, start a freelance side hustle. Sell digital products or services. Invest in dividend stocks or rental properties. Focus on passive income. Money that comes in without constant effort. That's how true financial freedom is built. Step 7, automate your wealth plan. Make saving and investing automatic. Set up auto transfers to savings or investment accounts. Automate bill payments. Use Roundup apps to invest spare change. When you automate, you remove the emotion and inconsistency from money decisions. It's a set it and grow strategy. Step 8, invest for the long term. Your money should be growing even while you sleep. Once you're saving consistently, start investing. Roth IRA or 401k, low-cost index funds, real estate, if you're ready. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Start small, start now. If this video helped you see the big picture, imagine what's possible if you act on it. Your path to financial freedom starts with a decision, this one. So, if you're serious about building a future where money is no longer a worry, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New videos every week to help you master your money management and unlock true freedom.